Everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can publish your site on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now, Squarespace is a tool or a service which is used to easily create sites. You can select from a number of templates and then edit your sites very easily instead of having to program and code all the HTML, CSS, and everything else. You can use the tools already available on the site to create your own site with as much ease as possible. It has been made very easy. You can just click edit on any page you add to your site, and then you can add or remove sections, add any content that you want, and it is very, very easy and very useful. You can make a variety of sites using this. You can create blogs, you can create online storefronts. As you can see, you have the options for products and services as well as invoicing. You also have content and memberships, meaning that you can create a content-based site such as a gallery of your works and sort of as a portfolio, but that doesn't matter right now. You can create a lot of different sites, so you can use it however you want. Now, once you're done creating your site, you can then go ahead and publish it. This, however, does require a paid subscription, which I at the moment do not. However, it is possible, and I'll be showing you how to do it. Now, what you're going to need to do once you're on your site editor, like so, you have this menu to the left, you're on website. You can easily just go here into the settings bar. Just click on the gear right next to your icon, and you'll be taken to the site settings. The first tab is the website tab, and the first button is site availability. This is where you want to go to actually unprivate your site and make it public. Now, if I click on it, as you'll see, you can select from a variety of options. You have password protected, private, public, and SSO protected. This is only for enterprise members, and as you can see, to publish the site you do need to upgrade to a premium plan. However, once you do upgrade, you can just easily click on public, and then once you click public, you just click save, and that is how you publish your site. And it's as easy as that. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.